Hello and greetings everyone, welcome back to another video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family members. It's Vampire Diaries time yet again. So let's take a look at the top 10 facts about Vampire Diaries. Number 10. The Vampires. Those vampires were deadly in this series. I have always wanted to become a vampire so badly. The Salvatore brothers have lived on Earth for a long time. They were turned into vampires by another character. Some of those vampires also had a lot of problems in their lives. And of course, they were vampires, so they needed to drink blood. They loved blood. They also killed sometimes to have blood. Yes. And they also had powers. Speaking of powers brings us to number 9. Number 9. Hello and greetings everyone, welcome back to another video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family members. It's Vampire Diaries time yet again. So let's take a look at the top 10 facts about Vampire Diaries. Number 10. The Vampires. Those vampires were deadly in this series. I have always wanted to become a vampire so badly. The Salvatore brothers have lived on Earth for a long time. They were turned into vampires by another character. Some of those vampires also had a lot of problems in their lives. And of course, they were vampires, so they needed to drink blood. They loved blood. They also killed sometimes to have blood. Yes. And they also had powers. Speaking of powers brings us to number 9. In this series, vampires had powerful abilities. They could control you, they could run very fast, they were deadly, and of course they were more powerful than normal humans. And in this series, the process to become a vampire is astonishing. The process is very strange, in my opinion. Because if you want to become a vampire, you have to suck the blood of another vampire. Okay. And then you have to die, you have to be revived. And after that, you have to drink the blood of a normal human. I warned you that the process was strange. I think that it's good to know, in my opinion. Number 8. Elena's history. To be honest, I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know where to begin with this one. Because because a lot of things happened in the life of this poor girl. Before all before all that stuff with vampires and werewolves and witches, she was a normal girl. She had a house, okay? She also lived with some members of her family. Everything was good until she met a vampire, of course. So, we learned that her adoptive parents died in an accident. Of course, she did not know that those parents were not her real parents. Of course. She learned that much later in this series. And much later, we learned that Catherine Pierce is the ancestors of Elena. Like, she is in a family tree. And we learned that the real mother of Elena was a vampire herself. Just, in my opinion, too many things, a lot of things happened in the life of this poor girl. My God, I just can't. I just can't. Number 7 spot. So, Luca Parker is Liv's brother. And he was a powerful magic user or wizard. He was also a gay man. Of course, you need to have LGBT people in series. Of course, I mean, you have to. He was also part of a coven of witches. Number 6, plants. Everyone has a weakness, even the strong one. So, of course, vampires and werewolves had weaknesses. In this series, we learned that there is a special plant that can disturb vampires' abilities. And of course, in my opinion, vampires can't even touch a werewolf. Like, a werewolf bites can kill a vampire. Very, 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 very useful. Very useful, in my opinion. Number 5, the hybrids. In this series, there is a guy named Klaus, okay? And this man wanted to have Elena's blood in order to create more hybrids. Because he was the original hybrids, and he wanted to have an army of hybrids. Maybe I think that he maybe felt a little bit alone in his own life, in my opinion. He was maybe very lonely. The hybrids were creatures half vampires and half werewolves. Good combination, in my opinion. This is a good combination. This is a good combination. Number 5, Bonnie the Witch. Oh my god. Bonnie, she is a powerful woman. She was a powerful witch, and she also lost a mother. She lost a mother. This was very hard. This was a difficult time for this poor woman. Number three, the werewolf. In this series, we learned that there is a family. Okay, wait, I'm not doing. I just. In this series, we learned that there is a family that is very special. This family was the Lockwood family, because most of the Lockwood family were werewolves. They were werewolves. And because they were werewolves, they were under the moon's influence. Like they turned into a werewolf under the light of the moon. Like a werewolf. Number 2, the cure. There is a cure that can help vampires to become humans. To become humans, of course. And of course, some vampires wanted to become human. And I remember that some vampires just fought one another because they wanted that cure. Number 1, we have Caroline. Number 1, we have Caroline. So, I am not going to lie, this woman was powerful. Caroline was a complex character. She even lost a mother. Caroline's mother was also a cop. And of course, like many characters in this series, she became a vampire. She even had a thing for one member of the Lockwood family. She even had sex with a man called Matt. I think that Matt was a powerful character as well. She was also Elena's boyfriend. What the fuck? She was also Elena's best friend. She was one of the best friends of Elena. So that's it for today's video. Now I'm going to respond to some comments. So before I go, I'm just going to read some comments. The first comment is from my first video. the top 10 LGBT movies and series that you need to watch. Comics Warlocks. Okay, okay, wait. Comics Warlocks said, "Cool video, Heartstopper is so cool." I know. Okay, we are going to read. So, Comics Warlocks said Heartstopper is a cool series. And yes, I really love this amazing series. Everybody, in my opinion, everybody should watch it. Then Justice Le Cat said, "Great video, man, from Who Was Eric?" Yes, thank you so much, guys. I really like your comments. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. It means the world to me. So, bye bye. See you later. Bye.